Daily maintenance ensures your machine will perform as it should and helps prolong its operation life. It is also one of the ways to keep a safe working environment. Let us show you the general maintenance and checks for your heavy excavator, starting with checking the engine oil. Engine. Open the engine hood and locate the oil dipstick. Remove the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it and check the oil level. Ensure the level is within the recommended range. Add oil as necessary. Inspect the engine and surrounding areas for any signs of oil or fuel leaks. Address any leaks immediately. Inspect the fan belt and air conditioner belt for any signs of wear or damage. Replace if necessary. Locate the pre-fuel filter and drain any accumulated water or debris. Cooling compartment. Inspect the cooling system components and hoses for any signs of leakage. A properly functioning cooling system is crucial for the engine's health. Inspect the air inlet for any obstructions or debris that could affect engine performance. Locate coolant tank and check coolant level. Top up if necessary with the recommended coolant mixture. Hydraulic oil tank. Extend the arm and bucket cylinder like so to retract the cylinders as much as possible. This way you have an accurate reading of the oil level. Open the pump compartment and check the oil level. Add more hydraulic oil as needed. Hydraulic components and circuits check. Inspect all hydraulic components and hoses for signs of leakage. Address any issues promptly to prevent system failure. AdBlue tank. Open the toolbox where the AdBlue tank is located and check the AdBlue level. Add more AdBlue fluid if necessary. Grease up. The greasing points are illustrated on the decal found inside the toolbox. Apply grease to the attachment pivot points following the guidelines in the operator manual. In terms of track tension, make sure it is within the recommended range for proper operation and if necessary, apply grease. Visual check. Inspect the excavator's body structure for any signs of deformation or damage. Report any findings for professional evaluation. Examine the undercarriage components for oil leaks and address them accordingly. Inspect the idler and rollers for signs of wear or damage. Replace if necessary. Inspect the attachment structure for any cracks, damages, or abnormalities. Perform a thorough visual inspection of the entire machine for any deformation, damage, or missing parts. From inside the cab. Start the engine and observe the exhaust color, listen for unusual sounds, and detect any unusual odors. Any abnormalities should be investigated further. Fuel tank. Monitor the fuel gauge and refill the tank if necessary to prevent unexpected downtime. Electrical system. Test all electrical systems such as lights, horns, switches, and warning devices to ensure they are functioning correctly. Ensure the seat belt is in good condition and functions properly for operator safety. Swing brake. Test the swing brake to ensure it engages and disengages properly. We hope you have found this maintenance reminder video useful and that you may even have learned something new. Machine maintenance will benefit not only the investment made, but more importantly, safety on the job site.